new design project with Flair Interiors.
Come along and we'll give you a tour.
In this project, we transformed a plain house into a very cozy and stylish home. Our clients are a young couple who would love to travel, and also they enjoy reading a lot. So we try to create this cozy nook for them so they can enjoy their Sunday morning reading, and we created some shelves for them with neutral colors. One of the things that our client requested was a fireplace. So we came up with this electric fireplace to create warmth in their space. And to match it well with this neutral colors, we worked with this gorgeous wallpaper that gives you the illusion of brick, but it also was very fast and very easy to install. A design is never finished without accessories. And since our client loves the boho chic and a touch of modern style, we try to use these accessories with neutral colors, with some dried flowers and a lot of greenery.
In the dining room, we had a pretty good base to work with. Even though it was plain, we thought maybe we could add some accessories and some flair to help the client entertain a lot easier. Since our clients are big travelers and the husband is a big fan of whiskeys and he loves to collect one-of-a-kind whiskeys when he travels, we dedicated this area to his bar so that he could have a nice area to display and at the same time help him serve his guests when he's entertaining. The dining table and the chairs was a nice choice, but we thought maybe by adding these oversized chandeliers and bringing that boho chic style from the living room here by adding this runner and some vases and pampas accessories to really elevate and match the space. While we were designing the dining room, one of the challenges that we faced was this plain white wall. So we decided to add 4 picture ledges so that the client has the opportunity to add a memory lane down the road. Even though this kitchen was newly built, it was too bright and it lacked character. So we thought by adding these Moroccan style backsplashes, we would bring earthy tones and warmth to the area.
Even though the powder room is the smallest room in the house, it is one of the most visited rooms. The vanity area was very outdated, so we custom built an open shelf vanity with natural elements. Adding gold accessories create harmony with the modern wallpaper.
This is the office space of the house, which is mostly used by the husband who works from home and he has a lot of Zoom meetings during the day. And this is how we turned this place into something more modern and stylish. Thank you for joining us. We loved working on this project, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. All the details are in the bio.